Nifty 50 stock market live update. Sensex of days low down over 100 per 1000 PTS. Nifty below 25,000 after PM present budget 2026. Sensex Today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Sensex and Nifty gyrated between gains and losses after the PM began the Union budget presentation. Investor lock for QC public spending and measures to support export-oriented sector. Sensex Today Nifty 50 key budget highlight buyback, PTEX and capital gain for all shareholders. STT of feature is to 0.5%. LNT Adani Port led in infra rally in FM hike. Capex to raise 12 lakh crore and PM proposed doubling individual investment limited to 10% for average resident. Biocon Pharma shares surge after PM's raise 10,000 crore. Biopharma Shakti plan Samarth 2.0 mega parks announcement. Leave Arvind, KPR Mill and other textile stock up to 9%. EMS stock jumps after budget outlay on electronics manufacturing to be increased to raise 40,000 crore in FY27. FMY propose developing 7 high-speed corridors between cities as growth connector. Raise infra spending to record 12 trillion rupees for 2026 to 27. GMDC share real 5% as Sitaraman announces a rare art corridor and individual residents living outside India can invest in Indian equity via portfolio plan. Gold silver rates today live updates. Gold silver feature silver and mix ahead of budget check live feature and physical rates. Sensex Today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. All Nifty indices in red. PSU Bank stock with the hardest. Sensex Today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian VIX cash to 10% after topping over 16%.